Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt Now, press Win+R, type CMD and hit Enter. Once the window is open, make sure you have active internet access. Ping 8 to verify connectivity quickly. You do not need extra software for the simplest method, but being online is essential. After confirming connectivity, keep the window visible because the next step runs a DNS-based query that returns your network's public IP. This avoids third-party web pages and works from the command line. Now run a DNS lookup. Type enslookup myp, opendins, com resolver 1, opendins, com and press enter. This command asks a public resolver what IP it sees for your connection. Once done, scan the output for the second address line. That string is your public IP. Make sure to note the value exactly. Copy it if you need to paste it elsewhere. This method is quick and reliable because it queries an authoritative resolver, so it shows the external IP rather than any local or private addresses. If enslookup fails, try curl ifconfig. Me in Command Prompt or PowerShell, that requests a simple external service and returns your public IP. Once done, you can compare outputs to ensure consistency. If you get no response, make sure firewall rules or a corporate proxy are not blocking outbound HTTP or DNS. Temporarily disable or check settings and retry. If the address looks like a private IP, you are behind NAT. Log into your router to see the WAN IP or contact your ISP for clarification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.